Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 2009 to 2014 Nissan Maxima. This is the right front window. The clip is at double speed. We're changing the window regulator. You hear a crunching, grinding sound. That's probably your problem. Popping off that faceplate. And the cover behind that. $10mm bolts. And then you should be able to pop the panel off. Oh, I'm sorry. Behind the switch housing, there's another 10mm. We've got two cables that go to the silver handle. Just unhook those. Might have another wiring harness in there. Oh, and the wiring harness that goes to the light at the bottom of the door. I took off the speaker. I really didn't need to. I wasn't sure. Take off the motor, 10mm bolts. Take off the covers that go to those the two access holes where the 10mm bolt on the glass is. And I couldn't quite get the glass up, so what I did was I just took the entire regulator plate off and then got it from the inside. 10mm bolts all the way around. If you find the video helpful, do me a favor, L-I-K-E, like the video. That'll help other people, such as yourself, find it on YouTube. If you have any questions, ask right here on YouTube. I'll be glad to get back to you within a day or so. If you'd like us to do this for you and you're in Tampa Bay or Minnesota, Power Up Auto. Be careful taking those 10mm bolts out of the clips. You don't want to break the clip because then you got to somehow get a new clip or get new glass. And now I can put it all the way up. My $5 suction cup from Harbor Freight International. Grab the new regulator. I think I might have had one of the rails twisted backwards, which is why I couldn't get them both in. So I took it off and then flipped it the other way around. Also, on the channels, the up and down channels that the glass travels in, a little bit of WD-40 goes a long way. It helps the glass travel, the channels, the run channels dry out and cause the glass to grab. So not the one your arm would rest on if the window is open, but the two vertical up and down channels on the sides. Just the dab. Dab will do you. Now before you put the motor on, try to bring those clips that the glass is going to go into down to where the access holes are. Because obviously once you put the motor on, you won't be able to do that unless you turn on the car and use the switch. You'll also find two posts on the metal panel that will go into the door panel. Just two round small posts, and that's to line it up. And while I'm drilling, or putting the screws of the bolts back in, I'm just trying to lay out those two posts that I mentioned. You may have to reset the automatic. You know how the button you press once it goes up by itself and once it goes down by itself. To do that, put the window all the way down, hold it for 3 or 4 seconds, put the window all the way up, hold the button continually for another 3 or 4 seconds. That should reset your automatic on that. Oh, yeah, here we go. I left a bolt inside the door panel when I took it off from the I gotta take the panel off a little bit. When I took off the bolts from the clips that went from the regulator to the clips, I left a bolt inside there. So I'm just peeling it back to use a magnet to get it out. All right, let's put put that back on again. Now I'm going to bring the glass down and line it up with the clips. Try not to drop the bolts into the door, obviously. And that should do it. The rest of this you can watch without interruption. Enjoy. If you have any questions, please ask right here on YouTube. I'd be glad to answer them. And thank you for watching.